C has two kinds of comment. /* opens a block comment and / closes it, and it can span as many lines as you like. And / begins a line comment, which runs to the end of that line. That form arrived in C99, borrowed from C++, which is why you will not see it in very old code. One trap with block comments: they do not nest. If you have a /* comment and you try to wrap another /* comment inside it, the first / the compiler ends the whole thing. And everything after that is code again, usually broken code. And remember what we saw 2 lessons ago when we ran the preprocessor: comments are stripped out entirely before the compiler proper ever looks at your file. A comment cannot change what your program does. It is written for people, and for exactly one person in particular, which is you in 6 months. This is the whole discipline, in 2 examples. The first one, I++, with a comment saying increment I. That comment is worse than nothing. It tells you what the line already told you. It takes up space. And the real problem, when somebody changes the line to I + equals 2 and forgets the comment, it now actively lies to you. Stale comments are worse than no comments at all. The second example is a good one. The code checks the first 3 bytes of a buffer against a particular hex sequence and skips them. What the code does is perfectly readable. Why on earth anyone would do it is not. The comment tells you this is the byte order mark that Windows tools put at the front of UTF-8 files. Now the reader understands, and if the code changes, the reason it exists is still recorded. Explain why, not what. Explain the decision, the constraint, the workaround, the thing that looks wrong but is not. One practical trick: when you want to disable a block of code temporarily while you are bisecting a bug, say, do not wrap it in a block comment. Use #if0 and #endif. 2 reasons. It nests properly, so it works even when the code you are switching off contains comments of its own, which /* simply cannot do. And it is visually obvious. #if0 at the left margin is much harder to lose track of and forget about than a / somewhere on a line of its own. One last note, and it is about this book specifically. The source files that come with it are commented far more heavily than production code should be. Most lines carry an explanation because they are teaching material and the comments are doing the job that I would otherwise be doing out loud. Do not imitate that density in your own projects. Imitate the content of the comments instead, the ones that tell you why.